I'm Mankakar from Delhi and currently pursuing my final year BTech with specialization in cybersecurity from Bennett University and 6 months diploma course from Core Security. I've done some certifications like CEH, EGPT, and ISO 20001. I'm also done research at DRDO and was also appointed as a tech head in my cybersecurity club in Bennett University. And I'm also always eager to learn more about cybersecurity and new emerging technologies. Thank you.
So, if you would have to describe yourself as an object, what would be?
It depends on the situation in which the object I have been chosen. So, um, if I think as a like a white hacker, so there's a scenario, there can be a scenario where I have been given a 90% information about the network. So on the basis of that information, I will perform my task on the company and recognize according to it, according to the information.
So how many tools you can use on web pen testing? Like give normal overview.
So can you repeat the question?
How many tools that you can use on web pen testing?
Sir, firstly, we can use, there are certain types of tools. If I want to proceed with recognition, so I can use curl, webhoff, fuzz. Ferox buster is we can use, but it's not allowed to use in industrial because it may down the websites due to because it's sent too many requests to the website. And I can also use burp suit to capture the request such as get and post for further web enumeration.
So you have mentioned here that you have done CH certification.
Yes, sir.
So could you please show us your certificate right
Sir,
now?
I don't have right now, but I have uploaded it on my drive.
Okay.
So, yes, I don't
No
have
issue. So you have also mentioned here about ISO 27001.
Yes, sir. I have done the certification from a skill front. So they just gave me a 60-page book, so I have read it and gave the exam.
So
It was not that vast.
tell me the four pillars of ISO 27001 ISMS.
Uh, so I don't know right now.
How many control processes are there in ISO checklist? According to year 2013, not the recent one.
No, sir, I don't remember right now. Sorry.
So what are the projects that you have created?
Sir, I have done 4 projects. First one I have done WeConnect. Basically, it's a cloud-based platform where we can use for Zoom meet, such as Zoom meeting or online platform for the meeting. So, and another way I have made a project Linkers. It's similar to the Metro application where we can like when sitting at home, so we can see like when the next metro is going to arrive, so that it can save our time. In this project, I have used this Jigsaw algorithm, so it tells that when the next metro will be come. Also, I have done red teaming. In this project, I have been solving some of the labs on TryHackMe and Hack the Box and Proving Grounds. And I have prepared a homemade lab using UTM on Mac. Using this application, I have prepared some labs such as Actor Directory Lab and using Metasploit, Windows Server 2016, and Windows 10 and Attacker Machine as Kali Machine.
Okay, so what is trust inside a domain in Active Directory?
Yes, sir.
What is a trust?
Um, I don't know that.
So like what are your skills about it? Like if you want to go with the web pen testing or network pen testing?
Sir, I can go with network pen testing.
Network pen testing.
Yes, sir.
So like in network pen, what is the famous tool in network pen? Give me top 10 names. Famous tools.
So first of all is a network mapper named as Nmap. Then we can use a Nitco, Nessus, uh, OWASP Juice, and
Was Juice.
uh, no, sir, not OWASP Juice, Weblyzer, and Metasploit for automated scannings, and Wireshark to capture the packets, and we can also use Bubsuit like how the website is working on the network and which request has been sent to the server and client.
So Bubsuit is a web application based or network application?
Yes, sir, we can say that because it works on the network and we can see how the request is working on the traffic, and traffic basically is a flow of the networks from the server side to the client side.
So what are the flags inside the Wireshark?
So flags are the basically the request sent from server side IP to client side IP. So we can say that how the TCP flag is being sent to the server side, and how the three-way handshake is being processed is being done on Wireshark.
So I'm asking about the Wireshark searching flags when you are doing a search bar.
So we can use the filters on the Wireshark to search the what type of flag we are looking for. There is a search option in the Wireshark.
Okay. So how many types of payloads are there in MSF Venom?
Yes, sir.
How many types of payloads are there in MSF Venom?
So there are two types of payloads, exploits and auxiliary modules. So according to it, we can use which payloads we are required to use according to the vulnerability we are given from the results of the enumeration of the particular mission.
So what is multi-thread handler?
So multi-thread handler basically is a payload. It's used in when we have to perform a persistence. It is used when we send a payload to a Linux machine. Then we use multi-thread handler by using listener, so that the shell is being main retained in our attacker machine.
Maintained.
Retained.
It's a payload or it's a module?
Sir, it's a module.
Since you have mentioned in soft skill, team discussion, leadership, documentation, and communication skills,
Yes.
right? Okay. So if I would ask you that, if you are the team leader,
Yes.
okay, and in your team, two of the members are not working properly,
Yes.
so what will you do?
Ma'am, firstly, I would closely listen to them, like what are they trying to convey to each other.
Hmm.
Then I should act as a bridge so that I can convey their points to each other more effectively and clearly, so that they can understand, so that as a team we can understand each other more.
Okay, and if the one person is right and another one is wrong?
So, ma'am, I should have to like disagree with politely said. Uh, I'm partially agree with your point, so I can continue with that statement.
So you have done work in Linux?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to give a ownership to a particular folder or a file?
Sir, we can use execute a chmod command.
Chmod.
Basically, sir, it's change the mode for certain file in which we
I'm
use
asking for the ownership, not for the execution.
ownership.
Ownership.
I'm so sorry, sir, I don't remember right now.
So how you can check the storage of a Linux machine?
Sir, we can check in the file system and
What is the storage assigned?
yeah,
With
which
the command that you can use.
I'm sir not certain with that right now.
So what are the connect? Let's say you want to check what are the USB devices are connected. How you can check that?
On Linux machine. Sir, when we connect to connect a device, it gives us the notification, so we can check.
In Linux terminal access, you cannot have a notification. So how you can
Sir.
how you can check it?
I'm not certain about that question, sir.
Okay. So what is there any folder that anyone can write execute on that folder in Linux?
I don't understand your question, sir.
Like there is a folder that anyone can any user can go to that folder and execute, write anything, do anything.
Sir,
in that
if the
folder.
folder is given permission to groups and users.
Without it as default permission, this known as default folder.
Sir, sir, it's in users in word list. We can update like that.
Okay, so like, what is the difference between a awk command and set command?
Yes, sir.
Awk command and set command, AWK command and SED command.
Sir, it is a part of a three-way handshake in which synergy packet
Command, Linux command.
Linux command. Sir, AWK you mean?
AWK and SED.
Sir, these are the greps command in which we use to when we have to fetch the data, we use awk command to get certain we set certain field in awk commands and use as a like, character defining tool in this awk command. And I'm not certain about C command, sir.
Okay, thank you.